Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is Miss Sahar here from Metropolitan School. I welcome you in the Social Studies class. Today we are going to study chapter number 10, that is all about League of Nations and the United Nations. These two are basically the two world organizations. वर्ल्ड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन मीन्स एक वो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन होती है जो हम विद इन द कंट्री देखते हैं, जैसे ईडी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, छिपा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, अमन फाउंडेशन है, एंड देयर आर सो मैनी विच यू सी अराउंड यू. बट ये दोनों ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस वर्ल्ड ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस हैं. इनका पर्पस क्या था? इनके बनाने का पर्पस ये था टू बिल्ड peace around the world. Now let's study about them. First of all, League of Nations. League of Nations, here you can see its office, which is in Geneva. It was founded in 1919 after the World War I. World War I, आपको रिमाइंड करवा दूँ, it was the war amongst most of the countries of the world. ठीक है, पूरी दुनिया के बहुत से ममालिक इस जंग में शामिल थे और ये एक बहुत बड़ी जंग थी जिसमें बहुत बड़ा दुनिया का नुकसान हुआ. So after that, some of the countries thought to build an organization to create peace throughout the world, right? But very soon this league was failed to control the peace in the world, because soon after that world had to face World War II. World War II was really more destructive than the World War I. So after World War II, some powerful countries of the world thought to organize a United Nations. United Nations is also an organization which was founded in 24th October 1945, right after the World War II. It was founded. Here you can see its office, and here it is the logo of the United Nations. Now you can see its flag. This is the flag of the United Nations. It has 193 member countries. 193 member countries का मतलब कि दुनिया में यूनाइटेड नेशंस की तरफ से 195 रिकग्नाइज्ड कंट्रीज़ हैं, जिसमें से 193 नाउ आर द मेंबर्स ऑफ यूनाइटेड नेशंस, राइट. ये मेंबर कंट्रीज़ का मेन पर्पस क्या होता है कि किसी भी दुनिया के बड़े इशू पे ये अपना ओपिनियन वोट कर सकते हैं. हर कंट्री का वन स्टेट वन वोट का चार्टर है यूनाइटेड नेशन का. चाहे वो कंट्री कितना भी बड़ा हो या कितना भी छोटा हो, उसका वोट वन ही कंसिडर होगा, राइट. Then it has 5 permanent members of the United Nations. 5 permanent members means the other members can be changed, but permanent members of the United Nations can never be changed. Then it has 6 official languages. यूनाइटेड नेशन की तरफ से दुनिया की 6 बड़ी ज़बानों को रिकग्नाइज किया गया है. Then the senior most officer of the United Nations is called the Secretary General. Secretary General is currently now Antonio Guterres, and here he is. He is the senior most officer of United Nations. Now let's understand about the most important rule of Charter of the United Nations, that is veto power. Veto power, veto simply means veto is a power which blocks a decision or which blocks any decision. Here in the United Nations, this means that the 5 permanent members, which are China, France, Russia, UK, and US, these 5 permanent members can veto any decision made by the members of the United Nations. Means you can take the example of Kashmir issue. कश्मीर इशू के ऊपर अगर मेजॉरिटी वोट्स कश्मीर के फेवर में हो तो इन 5 कंट्रीज़ में से कोई भी कंट्री अगर उस डिसीजन को वीटो कर देता है, ब्लॉक कर देता है, तो उसकी इम्प्लीमेंटेशन नहीं होगी या उसकी रेजोल्यूशन पास नहीं होगी. दिस इज़ कॉल्ड द वीटो पावर. Now you have to do the home assignment, that is you have to read unit number 10, page number 112 to 118, and you have to do exercise B and D. In exercise D you have to do question answers, question number 1, 3 and 4. You have to do both the exercises in the copy. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.